everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to cancel a bet on one times bet or 1xbet. The first thing you need to do is access your 1xbet account. Then find the bet, slip or others section. Once you found it, locate the bet you want to cancel. See if there's any option to cancel the bet, and if there is, confirm the cancellation. As simple as that. Please consider that not all bets can be cancelled. Some bets may be irrevocable once placed. Cancellation options might also be time sensitive. And also familiarize yourself with one times bets, betting rules and policies. If you are unable to cancel your bet through the app or website, contact one times bets customer support for assistance. They can help with specific issues or provide guidelines on their cancellation policies.